Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is all about how to install the mods in the Oblivion Remastered game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, go ahead and open up your browser. Here is the Nexus mod website from where you can easily download the mods. And to download the mods, make sure you must logged in. If you are not logged in or registered, you are not able to download the mods. So go ahead, click on the option login. If you are not logged in, you need to register your account first, and then registering, and then click on the login option. You will be able to download the mods. After logging in, lot of mods are available. I'll share the link of this particular website right in the description so that you can directly download the mods for Oblivion Mastered only. I'll take an example of this body type selector mode. I select it to open the window. Now scroll down, and right over here you will find the option of files. Click on the files tab and you will find the option of mode manager download and manual download. Click on the option manual download to download the file into your PC. Select slow download. This will download the file into your system. Now once the file is downloaded, click on it to open the zip folder into your PC. Now here is the mode. Now how to install this mode into the Oblivion Remastered game. First of all, right click on it and choose the option copy. After copying, you need to open the game directory. Now if you are using the Steam, go to the Steam, click on the library, right click on your game and choose the option properties. Under the installed files, here is the browse option to open the game directory. So I'll go ahead, at my system, I'll open the game directory. My game directory is right over here. So you need to open this particular Oblivion Remastered folder. Now here open content folder and then open packs folder. Right over here, you will find a folder with the name mods. If not, simply right click, choose new and create a folder and give it a name tilde and next to it type in mods. Now open the mods folder, right click and paste that particular file. This way you have installed this particular body type selector mode in the Oblivion Remastered game. So that's all about it friends. If you face any kind of issue while downloading or installing the mode, comment below or join my Discord channel, whose link also I'll give you in the description of this video. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.